Hello, English lovers. How are you doing today? I'm sure you're fine. Okay, so ask everyone on the street. Letter A sounds. They'll say ah. Everyone say letter A sounds ah. Letter A sounds ah. But the truth is, do you know that the letter A makes as many as 7 sounds? Let me show you. Okay, so letter A makes as many as 7 sounds. Letter A says ah as in apple, ants, map, dance, part. Okay, letter A also says the long vowel sound ah, as in father, palm, calm. Letter A also makes the sound eh, as in any, many, said. Letter A makes the schwa sound as in words machine. So you don't say machine or machine, no, machine. Away, banana. You don't say banana, but banana, okay? Along, marine. Letter A also makes the diphthong A, as in cake, name, baby, age. Letter A also makes the long vowel sound all, as in saw, all, ball, call. And then finally, letter A makes the short vowel sound as in want, watch, swam, swap. You get it? So next time someone asks you, how many sounds does letter A make? Do not say letter A makes just one sound. No. It makes many sounds, okay? So like come your way next time, keep saying it right. Bye-bye.